In this video, I'm going to be making just a simple glitter monogram tumbler. This is a 10-ounce coffee mug tumbler from Hog, which is Stainless Steel Depot. I have spray painted it with the Rust-Oleum spray paint. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll link it down below. And I'm going to put this Glitter Guy glitter on it, Mojito. So when I epoxy this, I'm going to do a very thin layer of epoxy. Then I'm just going to sprinkle this glitter on top. Then I'm going to epoxy the cup 1 or 2 more times, sand it out a bit, make it smooth. And then I will put the monogrammed letter on the cup.